ServiceTitan is built to run the operations of a home service business like scheduling, dispatching, and job tracking, while QuickBooks is built to manage accounting, invoicing, and financial reporting. By the end of this, you'll understand how each system fits into a contractor workflow, whether they overlap, and when using both together actually makes sense instead of choosing one over the other. ServiceTitan handles the work in the field. QuickBooks handles the money after the work is done. The real question is how those two roles connect in a single system. ServiceTitan focuses on operational control. That includes booking jobs, dispatching technicians, managing work orders, and tracking job progress in real time. This matters because service businesses depend on fast coordination between office staff, technicians, and customers throughout the day. QuickBooks focuses on financial control. That includes tracking income, expenses, invoices, and generating reports that show profitability and tax information. This matters because even a busy business can struggle if it doesn't clearly understand what it actually earns after costs. In most setups, ServiceTitan is used during the job lifecycle. Technicians and dispatchers interact with it constantly to manage schedules and job updates. QuickBooks is used after the job lifecycle. Office staff or accountants use it to reconcile payments, manage books, and prepare financial records. The key difference is timing. ServiceTitan is real-time operations software. QuickBooks is post-job accounting software. This is where integration becomes important. Many businesses use ServiceTitan to manage jobs and then sync financial data into QuickBooks for bookkeeping and tax purposes. This allows field activity like completed jobs and invoices to flow into accounting without manual data entry. Without integration, businesses often end up double entering invoices or manually reconciling job data with financial records, which creates delays and errors. With integration, ServiceTitan becomes the system of record for operations, and QuickBooks becomes the system of record for accounting. This setup is common in larger service businesses that need both strong dispatch control and accurate financial reporting in separate systems. Smaller businesses sometimes try to use only QuickBooks, but it usually falls short in scheduling and dispatching. Others try to rely only on operational software, but they still need proper accounting for taxes and long-term financial tracking. When deciding how to use them together, the key question is whether your biggest bottleneck is job coordination or financial clarity. If your team struggles with scheduling, dispatching, or tracking technicians, ServiceTitan handles that layer. If your biggest challenge is understanding profit, managing expenses, or preparing taxes, QuickBooks handles that layer. A practical next step is to map your workflow from booking a job to getting paid. If you see manual gaps between operations and accounting, that's where integration between the two systems matters most. If this helped clarify how they work together, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward breakdowns of service business software and tools.